Hi, welcome here. Getting started. Myself, Shekhar Metla. I am the software engineer from past 2 decades. I am the course instructor here for PHP application development who wants to learn from scratch to advanced level of full stack development in PHP, where curriculum lectures are here to know about the program completely. So here let's see. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. So the program is explained very real world coding, and coding is also presented at the video lectures. Now learn at any time, anywhere using connected mobile or computer system, which you will be access to view the videos and practicing for the environment setting. There you can use this complete program. Make sure to use of FAQs and practical exercises which are assigned to you. Check with your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help Google or Stack Overflow techniques, searching techniques you need to apply to making a great developer. And submit your questions on Ask QA forums for detail what you have tried with the screenshot, error code what you have practiced. It will be help us to resolve your errors very quickly. And how to approach the course? Best way to approach the course is review the videos, which is a practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guidelines in the notebook, extra information for practice. Review the certain information by reading examples, the parts of the video session, pausing. Where you are practicing some lecture based on our guidelines and explanation, you need to pause the video and write down the code and test yourself with your own parameters. Then you will learn very quickly. Very quickly. You need to apply your own thoughts. Coding exercise and solutions. You will be assigned a simple coding exercises in between the program, and there you will be guided and assigned a solution for this coding exercise also. To once you completed the coding exercise, you review it your answer with our solution. Anyhow, you will be guided. Thank you.